Let's just go and have a look at the other transactions where the bank was involved. So the first one was a bank entry. There's a cash sale. That's the fourth one. Now, a cash sale is actually income. It's an inflow of benefits. And it's going to result in an increase in assets. That's the definition of income. So now, let's just go to our spreadsheet. And what are the elements involved? It's going to be asset, the money that's been received. Remember I said to you it didn't have to be money. And the other one is income. Now it just so happens that income is part of equity because income increases equity. We'll get back to that later. Now, the next thing I ask myself is, now that I know which elements are involved, let's subcategorize it. Let's classify it further. So I take it down and I say, well, what type of income is this? Well, it's a sale from services. Okay? It's a cash sale invoice. It's a sale from services. It could be a sale of goods, but in this example, it's a service company. They sell services. So when I come to the asset, I say, what type of asset is it? Well, it's bank. Okay, so you can see there my bank has increased and my income has increased. Now I go back to my table. I say, well, bank is an asset. The asset is increased. Therefore, I'm going to debit bank. And income normally has a credit balance. I always think about the effect on equity. I don't think about income increasing. I always think about the effect of it on equity. Remember I showed you over here, you could see that equity is on the first line, and then underneath it I've got capital and income. I don't think about whether income's increasing, I think about the effect on equity. So there you have it. Equity's increased by 2,500. So now when I go and have a look at it, I'm going to credit the account sales from services, because income, when it's increasing equity, I must credit it. And my bank asset has increased. I must debit it. Now interest received is just another form of income. Sales from services is an income. Interest received is an income. So you can see that in this same example, in this example, interest received is going to be credited and bank is going to be debited.